Sources tell CNBC TV18 that Tamil Nadu's IT workforce has always been free to form unions. Jude Sannith joins in with more details on that. Jude, over to you.
Well, let's just give you a little bit of context to the situation, Sonia. In fact, yesterday, a bone of contention with regard to IT arose. Tamil Nadu's IT industry arose in the Madras High Court pertaining to an ongoing legal battle between the New Democratic Labour Front and, of course, the Tamil Nadu government. The question really was whether IT employees in the state were allowed to form unions. And, of course, the plaintiff, which is, of course, the New Democratic Labour Front, questioned and pleaded to the Madras High Court asking why IT employees could not quite form labour unions. This, of course, was in the run-up to TCS Chennai, which laid off a few employees in January 2015. Now, the clarification that was issued by the Tamil Nadu Labour Ministry was that IT employees in Tamil Nadu have always been free to form trade unions, and this, of course, will continue in keeping with the Industrial Disputes Act of 1947. So this essentially means that, like most factories, like most industrial units in Tamil Nadu, IT workforce and IT employees are free to form unions. This, of course, is in stark contrast to the Karnataka model, which states that IT industry will, of course, employees of the IT industry will not be allowed to form labour unions. Now, this is interesting because it comes at a time when automation, layoffs are becoming part and parcel of the IT industry, not just in Tamil Nadu but across India as well. In fact, L&T Infotech was one of the latest companies which, of course, laid off a few prevented a few students from joining them because there was, of course, a problem with regard to the joining dates. But NASSCOM sources have indicated that this will not impact the IT industry in any way, simply because grievance redressal is not exactly a problem with the IT industry as of now. With that, it's back to you.
Okay, thanks, Jude, for giving us those details.